Come unbox all these packages with me. So in this big box, there's just a bunch of Amazon packages, and I have no idea what they are. So let's open it together. I think we got to start off with this one first. By the way, all these were sent out by this company called the Daily Box Club. And basically, you just get a bunch of Amazon packages in the mail every day. Let me zoom out. What is this? Woman walking sandals. Bruh, I'm not gonna lie, I can't use these, bruh. I'm not a female. But I think these will fit my mom. Next up, I want to do this. No way. 4K UHD dual cam. Bruh, I wonder how much this costs. The thing on their website says things could be valued out at $1,000, but let me know if you guys want me to make a video about like setting this up or whatever. Next up, this one right here. This one is the heaviest so far. Bro, what? Is this Play-Doh? 24 colorful air dry clay. Clay? I don't know what I'm about to do with this. I'm gonna give it to my little brother. He's artsy fartsy, so he might like this. This one feels like a book or like a DVD. No way. 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. So iPhone, AirPods, and then an Apple Watch. But I wonder which AirPods it is. It's only for the pros. Damn, this is cool. Thing is, a lot of this stuff I really don't need, and I would do giveaways, but I'm no longer doing giveaways, bro. It ruins my comment. I'm guessing it's gonna be like a controller, maybe. Okay, this is kind of cool. I can put like switches in here for keyboards. Okay, next up, I think I want to go with this one. This feels like nothing. Universal bike mount? I guess, bro. If you like bikes, this would be cool. Now we got this one. This one feels a little bit heavy. I hope this is like a 4090. Oil sprayer. Oh, this is kind of cool. I think my mom would like this. Oh, this is sus. Hey, this feels premium heavy. I'm curious, would I be able to put anything in here? Okay. Bro, what? Bro, ain't no way. I got a bunch of these little, like, pop-its. I'm gonna give this to, my neighbor. They have a little kid, bro. I think he would enjoy playing with these. I saw the Wi-Fi, and I'm kind of excited. Digital wireless baby, bruh, video monitor. Bro, I can give this then to the neighbor as well. 5 inches, that's a lot. That's huge. That's way bigger than average. Actually, might be two to three times bigger than average. Wow, this is kind of cool. I don't want to open it because if I'm gonna give it away to them, then I don't want to like mess with their stuff. Laser rangefinder. What is a laser rangefinder? USB charging, built-in magnetic strip. What is this? Oh my god, this box. And it's got this little like safety. Oh, okay, I was right. So look, I don't know if you guys could see. Yeah, whatever, I can't show you, but let me show you this. So what you do is you look through this little peephole and then press this button. Wherever you're pointing towards, it gives you how far. By the way, if you guys just like unboxing a bunch of stuff, I can make more of these videos.